Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix the microphone in Messenger on a computer. So let's go ahead and say that I want to call this specific person right here, but I'm having some problems with my microphone. Now the way that you can simply fix this is by calling the application or the person itself, and from here you will be able to see the microphone that you want to use. In my case, I have 3 available microphones, which is going to be the microphone for my webcam, my microphone for my condenser mic, and the voice or the mic driver that I use. In my case, as you can see, as I speak right here, it gains a volume, meaning that it detects my microphone. So in here, I'll just click on the allow while visiting this site, and basically it will then start to call this specific person right here. Now if you want to change your setting because you're still having some problems, you can just click on the microphone button right here, click on this specific arrow, and basically right after that you will be able to choose what or which type of microphone you want to use on the messenger call. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.